Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your wallet app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down here into your phone display, click on it. So when you click here on display, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down here, so you come here to Testnets here, clicking this sign. So that like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean Testnet balances it show for us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.